we are inside here, and this is our thermostat wires here. So what we need one of these wires here, which is our orange wire. So we need this wire here, orange. We also need our yellow, which is this wire right here. Yellow, right there. We also need our red for power and our green for the fan. We want all these wires to be running, all right? So I'm gonna take all these wires. I have a wire nut here, and I'm gonna put them together, try to get all of them in here. And that's how you bypass your thermostat to start your cooling for your heat pump. All right? Take care, guys. Have a good one, and see you on our next video.